I'm Jessica Jankowski. I'm Pure Maintenance of Santa Barbara. Master Clean USA is the parent company. I started the company 30 years ago, our parent company. We built it into kind of a specialty cleaning services company over the years, and we've been doing pure maintenance for 3 years. I glean and get a lot of great information from other licensees, so I wanted to see what was working for other people. I think Vlad called me. On the call he said he had been speaking with or working with other pure maintenance licensees. So I listened to him. I told him, all right, that I had a team that would be involved in deciding whether we wanted to make a change or not. But we needed to make a change because what we were doing was not working. It was with a very big name company who was running our Google ads. We were getting nothing. We were nothing, maybe not even a call a week, and spending thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to not get anything. So I needed to change, and he ended up being our savior in this case. It was amazing. So it feels like they're on the same wavelength. I have the same energy, this family business, trying to make a difference in the world, make a difference in other people's lives, and we needed that difference. So when I met Vlad, he told me what the investment would be, and I didn't have that investment to make, but I knew I had to do something, so I did it anyway, and we have grown 4,000% in the last year. And they spend so much time with this, creating unique campaigns to work for our unique situation and our unique area, and then go above and beyond, that really listen and hear what we need, and even offer advice that we're not even paying for, as far as like how to address some of those things. So I get consistent calls every day. It never changes. It's a miracle for us. It's a miracle. It's changing the lives of the people who work for me. It's changing the lives of our community. It's making awareness possible because we can touch more lives. I'm just super excited about it. That's amazing. The old ways are not working, and I would say you've got to take the leap of faith. It was a leap of faith for me because I understand the discouragement. Didn't think I had no clue what could possibly change it. I think you have to take the leap of faith, and they care, and they told me they cared, and I didn't believe it at the time because everybody says they care, but they care. They did. And they made a difference. And I hope they can make a difference in the lives of the rest of our licensees and anybody who wants to work with them. It's amazing.